Today's video, I'll show you guys how to enhance Need for Speed Underground 2 visuals with high-speed reflections for cars, roads, and mirrors. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down and select the download option, and you just need to wait for 30 seconds. After the load, select this download now option. After the download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And just close tab here, right click on the game icon on the desktop and select open file location. Open the WinRAR and just drag and drop these two files in our game folder. Check the replace the file in the destination and select do this and select continue. And now launch the game. I will add a before and after comparison. You can easily compare both of it. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.